Spring has sprung. Now it's time to get back into the garden and do something new. Good potting mix is paramount to growing a healthy garden. So I'm using Rich Grow's Pro Mix with Sea Sol. A premium mix like this one contains slow release fertiliser, soil wetter, trace elements and added sea salt, which is proven to increase plant growth, colour and resilience over a less quality mix. So now let's pot up. We've got a great stable base, we've got a pot with good drainage, we've got a plant that's a little smaller than the pot. What we're going to be doing is we're going to put a bit of soil in the base of the pot. We're going to position the plant around 50 mil from the top of the pot. Then we're going to place the soil mix around the pot and tamp it down and get it nice and firm. A good tip is to compost your plants and veggies at the start of spring and autumn to ensure they're strong and healthy all year round. Rich Grow's garden compost is fantastic. It's organic, it's affordable, and it's even got soil wetter. These plants will love it. This guy's going to be awesome with a bit of warm weather. If you want a quality outcome for spring, go to Rich Grow's website, richgrow.com.au, or get their app. It's awesome.